This is a very easy project that I like to share with you. The fabric I cut, I go by the size for you, the small to the biggest, okay? So the first one here that I have, this is 5 inches by 9 inches long. So the 9 inches is the length of the fabric and it all the same, okay? 9 inches. So 5 by 9 and you fold it in half. You're gonna top stitch this part, okay? And then the next one I have it here. This is 8 inches by 9 inches. Fold it in half. I use cotton fabric, this little thing everywhere in my sewing room, so try to get rid of them. So you're going to top stitch on the fold, and the last two here is the same size. This is 9 inches wide and 12 inches long. Fold it in half. I have two different colors right here. I have the blue and the purple, so fold it in half. These two are the same size, so top stitch on the fold. The purple one, do the same thing, fold it in half, 9 in by 12 inches, and top stitch on the fold. Now everyone, after I top stitch all these 4 pieces right on the fold, I am going to, so the smallest one and the medium and the 2 at the same size. And I also cut it here, the felt fabric that I got in from Walmart. So I have cut in here 9 inches wide by 10.5 inches, okay? So I'm going to place the first piece right here. So you're gonna make sure that the top here meet the top of the back fabric, the felt fabric right there, okay? And now you're going to sew this side right on the bottom, just about 1/4 of an inch. Sew this line. So after I sew 1/4 of an inch, I'm gonna mark from the top, the purple one down 2.5 inches, 2.5, and I'm going to place this right on top of it. You can clip, you can pin, you can do whatever, okay? But I'm just pinning this so it stay together. And then the blue one go down. I'm going to mark 2.5 inches also, and 2.5. So 1/4 of an inch seam allowance, you're gonna sew this straight line, and then after that you're gonna place the yellow piece right on the 2.5 inches, and then here you're going to mark 2.5. So exactly the same, 2.5, and then you're going to place the last piece on top of the 2.5. I just want an extra, that's why I have an extra on the bottom right there. You always have to do it like that, okay? I want to sew this yellow 1/4 of an inch, and then place this last piece right on top of this where the 2.5 inches, and then sew it in here 1/4 of an inch. So after I sewed it together, the extra on the bottom, we're gonna go and cut that out. That's it. After you cut this out, you go and to sew the side, the left and the right all the way down. So very close to it, not 1/4 of an inch. Okay, you can do like 1/8 of an inch. So everyone, after I trim it, and it now come out to 8.5 inches, okay? So you can divide this into 2 or 3, it's up to you. So I'm gonna fold it in half. Press the center just right there so I can see that the center. So you're going to draw the line. You can do 3 or 4 depend on what you want to put on each pocket right here, okay? So mark the line. You're gonna sew the straight line. Best to sew from the bottom up, okay? Because from here, when it gets to there, it's gonna be like that. So everyone, after I divide this into two, so you get the pocket right here, not too deep, and then it really go down, and this is deep all the way down for the scissor or whatever that you decide to do. So here I cut the fabric. The fabric I cut is I use a cotton fabric, and it's 10.5 inches wide by 12.5 inches long. I'm gonna place it in here. When I place it in here, I'm gonna make sure that all around it have an extra equally, like so. I wanna make sure pin this down so everything is stay in place for you to do so. When you're done, you can take it out if you want. I mean, you can take it out. It's not no choice. Too funny. Something like that. Yeah, so fold it all 4 corners. The first fold like this. I came to my dad to see him, and I just want to make sure every day he remember who I am, because he's 96 years old, everyone. He's so cute. I remember when my mom passed away, and then his license, his driver license, is about to expire, so he went to renew his license, and they took it away because he's really like out of his mind. He cannot function. So we came home, we say maybe it's not the place that took his license away, it's mom. My mom did that. She didn't think that he should drive, so she took that away. So do this, everyone, on this 4 corners. You're gonna do exactly like this, okay? And then you after that, you're gonna draw the line on each, okay? So yeah, they took his license away. It's cracking me up when we talk about like how mom took the license, not the place. Oh my goodness, who's dying? But it's best that way. And so whenever he goes somewhere, we just dry him. He doesn't have to. Okay, and then this side, do exactly the same. Do all 4 corners exact the same, everyone. After this, I'm gonna do more like a Christmas or something like that, okay? A gift, Christmas gift and things like that. So people can make and have plenty time to repair for Christmas. Okay, so now you go on to draw exactly the same way. So I have a comment come the other day. I was dying. It said to me like, why always have to be in English? Oh my Lord. I laughed so hard. I would say, it's just like asking me why I'm always look Asian. I was dying. So now take this out. In the wrong side. On the wrong side facing up. If you use the print, the right side facing down. So now you go in each corner, and you remember it have to match up. It have to match up, okay? Yeah, that is so funny. Why you always look Asian? How funny people ask questions. Sometimes you speechless. You don't know what to say. Okay, now I'm showing you this side, but all the corners gonna be exactly the same. So the first, when you fold it right here, don't sew it there. So start from this one right here, from the fold that you fold, the first one, you're gonna sew to the fold, okay? And do all 4 sides exact the same. When you fold this corner to the corner, you're gonna make sure the two sides that where you mark it match up, and it's a pointy right here like this, so that way you know you sew it right. Okay, and then the first fold is right here, sew it from here down. So everyone, after I sew on this 4 corners, you go and cut this, and you can leave about a 1/4 of an inch like that, but it's right here at the fold. You're gonna do that. You don't really have to be exactly a 1/4 of an inch. Okay, just simple, super easy. Now you go into right at this each corner, you're gonna put this out, side to push it out. Do that to all 4 corners. You see how pointy? You don't need to do much here. It's already there. This is the best way when you do self-binding. Okay, now I'm gonna put this back. So, and here at the first fold, you're gonna fold it back like this. Everything going to be perfect for you. Like that. And you iron this down. You doing this, you don't need to use a bias tape. Sometimes I'm lazy, I use bias tape, but this is perfect. You have the back already sewn into, you don't need to do anything else. See how easy that is? It looked like a picture frame. And then here, do exactly the same, everyone. When you do, make sure at the corner then it meet up and it's like this, okay? Everyone, after you iron it down, it stay down for you, you know. Right here, this is a top, this is a top, right in the center right here. I have cut the ribbon here at 10 inches. You can use elastic if you want, depend on where you want to hang it up, okay? So you go into place, I'm gonna place it in here, right on the side of the sew line, and then one on the other side, like so. That's the little glue for it, so it it will stay down for me. This is the glue making that noise, not me. I don't need to do twice of the time. Okay, make sure it's staying in like this, okay? And then when you're done, it's nice and glue it down. you're going to flap it up. This way. Like so. And you can clip if you want to. You can pin, clip, or whatever you want. As long as you have it holding down for you. Okay, now you're going to sew on the fold right here, so all the way down to the bottom, on the top, all around this 4 sides. Just top stitch around. That is that, everyone. I sew all around that, and it's the best idea when you do the self binding background like that. And it adding this, that's the best way to do. Other than that, you have to, no way you can hide this thing, the end. Okay, so for this you can put everything you want. I just give you an idea what to do, how to do, but you can use this and hang in your sewing room. You can put some pencils, scissors, whatever that you need to hang around in your sewing room. This is the fabric marker. You see how it go all the way down? You can put the scissor in here too if you want to put the scissor. So you go all the way, and anything, the ruler is 12 inches. Let's see if it can go in there. See, it go right in. This one you're gonna hang it up anyway. You can add more things. Anything. I can't think of what to put around, but it's up to you. If whatever you want to put around here, feel free to add more on this side. Okay, simple, very easy. And then down here you can put some other thing. I don't know, I can't think of anything to put in there, but you know, sometimes you do thing and you're like, oh gee, what I'm gonna put in there. And then you hang this up you know, whenever. Okay, stay safe, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also, don't forget to click on the like button for me, everyone. The ruler. My second channel, my cooking channel, because that go very slow. And sometimes I forgot. I cook every day, but I forgot to add anything in there for a long time. So, this one is broke. So, just like that. Should put everything you want. Anything, okay? So I hang up at the window, on the wall near the window, under my sewing machine right here, and it is up there. The sun reflect the light, so it's not that clear, but this is how you do. So you don't put a lot of thing on the table. Try to put something on the wall too, make it easier. Thank you to the people that always click on the like button to support my channel and the channel membership. I really appreciate your kindness, and your support means a lot to me. Love you. Stay safe.